Assalamualaikum everyone, respected audience and my dear friends. Assalamualaikum to you all. This is me, Sharin Sharif Sneha. I feel truly honored to stand before you and talk about a topic which just not only shapes our present but also refines our future. Yes, you have guessed it right. It is artificial intelligence or simply AI. So before going to the deeper parts of this topic, let me give you an idea of what artificial intelligence really is. Well, artificial intelligence is a machine which is capable of mimicking human intelligence. For example, or in simple terms, AI allows computers to learn from real-life experiences, solve problems, make decisions, or even understand a language, just like humans. What we used to think is science fiction is actually it's part of our everyday life. So, let me give you some example. When you're asking Siri or Alexa a question, you're basically using AI. Or when YouTube or Netflix gives you recommendation of which videos you might like, that's also AI. Even when Google Maps shows you the fastest route or your phone just opens just by showing your face, that's AI in action. But AI is not limited in our phones or computers. It is changing the entire industry. In healthcare, AI helps doctors to detect a disease faster and more accurately. In education, it offers a more personalized education environment based on each student's need. In agriculture, AI tools helps farmers to increase the crop production. Even in transportation, AI is behind in the development of self-driving cars. Along with all those benefits, AI also comes with some serious concerns. Many people fear that AI might lead to job losses. Machines may replace human workers in many industries. But there are some also people who fears about the ethical uses of AI. Like, for example, what if AI is used to invade privacy, or spread misinformation, or even take harmful decisions without human control? That is why it is very important to use AI intelligently, carefully, and more responsibly. We need strong rules, thoughtful leadership, public awareness can lead AI to serve humanity more than the other ways around. Now, let me tell you that AI is, if we use AI carefully, intelligently, or wisely, it can help us solve the biggest problems of this world. To conclude, AI is one of the most powerful tools ever created by humans. So we need to use it carefully, ethically, and intelligently to solve all the problems of this world. So that was all for me. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum.